This is about a father who is not used to expressing his emotions.
Good evening. Lalakasan ko na loob ko alang-alang sa anak ko.
Ito naman si Daddy, just spoke to the groom, ayaw kausapin si Donna or si Ayi.
Pao, pangahawakan ko yung pinangako mo sa akin kanina. Ngayon ko lang sasabihin sa iyo to. Welcome na welcome ka na sa pamilya namin. Basta huwag ka lang sisira sa pinangako mo. Alam, kami dalawa ni Kalay.
Pinasa na kay Mami yung microphone. You can obviously tell, and I was watching from the side, hala, parang nadadala na at parang umaapaw na yung emosyon ni Daddy. So, he passed it to Mami. Mami gave her speech.
Congrats ulit, Donna and Pao. God bless.
I could see a father who had so much emotion but was not comfortable to express it. And for me, honestly, one position that I'm having now with weddings is I would really want to, if it's there, to push friends, family, loved ones, the bride and the groom to express what they feel for their loved ones, because you'd really never regret that.
Maraming salamat, Mami. Oh, Daddy, sa anak niyo.
So I urged and pushed Daddy to say something to his daughter. I know this is uncomfortable, but I'm really coming from a place where I really just want, obviously, these people who have so much love for each other to express.
Daddy, minsan lang po yung mga ganitong moment. Say something to your daughter. Okay, alam, mata nyo pa lang po. Daddy, mata nyo pa lang po. Kitang-kita na po. Minsan lang po to. Bigay nyo po yung memory sa anak nyo. Palakpakan naman po natin si Daddy.
And the things he said. He had all of this to say to his daughter.
Ay, lahat na nakakakilala sa atin, alam naman nila ang relasyon natin dalawa. Alam nila kung gaano tayo ka-close. At si Ayi, bago matulog yan, pagkagising, bago pumasok, pag-uwi, hindi nagmi-miss tumawag sa akin yan. Pagdating doon sa kanyang destino, hindi pa nakakarating na hotel yan, tatawag na sa akin. Ganyan ang relasyon namin dalawa. Sana, Pao, hindi ko naman hinihiling sa iyo na higitan mo yung pagmamahal ko kay Ayi. Mapantayan mo lang, sobra-sobra na. Alam mo, kung paano alaga ang ginawa ko kay Ayi. Nag-aaral yan sa UST, hatid sundo sa akin yan, ang gagaling ako sa Bulacan. Basta kailangan niya ako, hindi pa siya nagigising, nandun ako. Ganyan ang pagmamahal ko sa bata na yan. At sa totoo lang, kung hindi lang 32 na yan, eh labag na labag sa loob ko mag-asawa yan. Kaya lang, wala na akong magagawa, tumatanda na eh. Sabi nga sa akin ni Ayi, Daddy, gusto mo ba akong mag-isa? Eh sabi ko, wag. Matanda ka na. Pwede na yan. Siguro, alam naman ni Pao na pag nagpupunta siya sa amin, hindi ako lumalabas ng kwarto.
He had all of these beautiful things to say to his daughter.
Hanggang di siya umaalis, hindi ako lumalabas ng kwarto. Ganyan kasi ka-importante sa akin si Ayi. Napakabigat sa aking pawalan. Kaya sana, Pao, yung ipinangako mo sa akin kanina, sana huwag kang sisira. Yung anak ko ay pinagkakatiwala ko na sa iyo. Ikaw na ang bahala sa kanya. Pero kilala naman ako ni Ayi. Mapang-asar lang ako. Pero hindi ko siya kayang tiisin. Pagka alam kong galit na yan, tsaka lang ako aaksyon. Natutuwa kasi ako pag may nag-iinis eh.
Why did I make this video? You will never regret expressing your love for the people you deeply care about. Your daughter, your family, your son, your dad, your mom, your best friend, your siblings. You will never regret it. And I think that's something and an opportunity that we should definitely take for weddings. I will push if I see that there is love, if I can see there is undeniable feelings that are just wanting to be expressed. They're just uncomfortable. So a little push can just lead to something as beautiful and as memorable as this.
Ito sa huli, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Inuulit ko pa. Welcome ka na. Welcome ka na. Salamat.
Palapakan po natin si Daddy.
Say how much you love the people who are dear to you. Express how much you care for them. Express how grateful you are for them on your wedding day. Have those memories. Create those memories for yourselves and for the people you love. You will never regret it. You will never regret it. Life's too short to not say how we feel.